Hi guys, this is Theodore from BSU Alangilan. Have you ever felt alone when you have many friends around you? Because sobrang hirap na kaibigan ka ng lahat pero walang tunay na may kaibigan sa'yo. That's what I'm experiencing right now as Renzi. I'm alone in this coffee shop. Ako lang mag-isa. I've got to do some shits, schoolworks, competitions, and such. Wala man lang ako kasama. But, sometimes, yung pagiging mag-isa mo is giving yourself time. Namahalin yung sarili mo na masanay ka mag-isa na hindi sa lahat ng panahon may mga taong naririto para sa'yo, para tumulong ka ba. Sometimes you have to cope with yourself na hindi lahat ng mga problema o pinagdadaanan mo is you have to go with someone else. Sometimes you have to wait alone kasi ikaw, sarili mo, tayo, yung may responsibility sa mga choices na ginagawa natin sa buhay and such. So, yun. Though kahit lonely, minsan emotionally, but you get the point naman na that's how life goes.